Hello everyone and welcome to my picking journey. Today I'd like to show you what I got myself from the shop nearby a few days ago. It is this master lock, something that every lock sporter should have, I guess. Master locks, yeah, they got quite famous for being so hard to pick, and of course they make good practice locks. This one was quite expensive for what it is, but since it's imported, I understand that. Now the interesting thing here is this number. I like it very much. It has a scale from 1 to 10 and this one is marked as 8. I guess this is the security of that lock, so I'm quite eager to try that out and see what it takes to get into this one. I still haven't taken it out of the package and I intend to keep it like that. Now, I will use my, the strange tensioner that comes with cheap pick sets, because it fits very well and it provides good amount of tension. Since the core is spring loaded, this tension that I can provide will be quite useful. And I'll use the city rake out of my first pick set from Amazon, and let's see if that will get me okay. Yeah, it took more time to put the tensioner inside than to pick the lock. Yeah, let's try that again. So I put the pick inside, I apply some tension, and master lock. This was level 8 on their security scale. Come on, how does that even do? Okay. And like that. Ooh, grease. Okay. So we have keys as well. Let's get those out. Where's my thing? Well, I'll just use scissors for the sake of it. Yeah, so how does that, hello? How? What was that holding? Nothing? Really? Come on, like, for real? Alright. Okay, I see they have this. Okay, that's an amazing bitting. With 4 pins, you get the level of 8. Well, I guess at least level 10 might have 5 pins. Whoa, that's quite stiff. Alright, well, that's it from me for now. If you're in Europe, I would suggest you don't get yourself master locks when there are many other options that are much more secure. Well, if you like my content, want to support me, please subscribe, hit like, it helps a lot, and share my videos. Thank you for your time, stay legal, and until next time, bye!